How to use trust and will guardianship properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Setting up a guardianship with trust and will seem simple at first, but the surprising truth is that many beginners make mistakes that can create legal complications or leave children unprotected. The first mistake is not clearly identifying guardians. Many users assume the first person listed will automatically take over, but it's crucial to specify primary and backup guardians. Think through who is best suited, considering location, values, and availability. Another common error is neglecting state-specific rules. Guardianship laws vary by state, and failing to follow local requirements can result in the court rejecting your arrangements. Always verify compliance with state guidelines. Many people forget to communicate their choices. Guardianship decisions are legally binding, but if your family or chosen guardians are unaware of your plan, it can create delays or disputes when the time comes. Discuss your decisions openly with relevant parties. Failing to update your guardianship plan is another pitfall. Life changes, marriages, relocations, or the death of a guardian can impact your choices. Review and update your plan regularly to ensure it remains accurate and enforceable. Finally, some assume using trust and will eliminates the need for professional advice. While the platform simplifies documents, complex family situations, blended families, or legal nuances may require attorney guidance to ensure your plan is airtight. To use trust and will guardianship properly, clearly identify primary and backup guardians, follow state laws, communicate your choices, update plans regularly, and seek professional guidance when necessary. Avoid these mistakes, and your children will be fully protected according to your wishes.